Hurghada, a jewel on the Red Sea, is renowned for its stunning natural beauty and vibrant marine life. This coastal city has long been a favorite destination for tourists from around the world, drawn by its crystal-clear waters, pristine beaches, and the mesmerizing coral reefs that lie just beneath the surface. However, with the increasing number of visitors, the environmental impact has become more evident. The delicate ecosystems that make Hurghada so special are under threat from pollution, overfishing, and unsustainable development practices, but we face a challenge: protecting our environment while building our economy. The local community and authorities are now at a crossroads, seeking ways to balance economic growth with environmental preservation. The answer lies in green industries. By investing in renewable energy sources such as wind and solar power, Hurghada can reduce its carbon footprint and lead the way in sustainable development. These green technologies not only help protect the environment, but also provide new economic opportunities for the local population. These industries are designed to be kind to our planet. Urban planning initiatives that incorporate green spaces and eco-friendly buildings are transforming Hurghada into a model of sustainable living. Green roofs, energy-efficient designs, and the planting of trees in urban areas are just a few examples of how the city is embracing a greener future. They offer a way to live in harmony with nature while creating jobs and opportunities. Sustainable farming practices and community-led environmental projects are empowering residents to take an active role in preserving their natural heritage. By working together, the people of Hurghada are building a future where economic prosperity and environmental stewardship go hand in hand. Our planet is precious. Traditional industries often pollute our air and water. They can harm wildlife and contribute to climate change. Green industries offer a better way. They use resources carefully and reduce waste. By choosing green industries, we can protect Hurghada's natural beauty for generations to come. The sun shines brightly on Hurghada. The wind blows steadily across the desert. These natural forces can power our homes and businesses. Solar panels convert sunlight into electricity. Wind turbines capture the wind's energy. These technologies are clean, sustainable, and create new jobs. Section 4. Nourishing the land, sustainable agriculture. Agriculture is vital to our food supply, but traditional farming methods can be harsh on the land. Sustainable agriculture uses techniques that protect the soil and conserve water. It avoids harmful pesticides and fertilizers. This approach produces healthy food while preserving our environment. Section 5. Building a better future. Eco-friendly manufacturing. In today's world, the importance of sustainable practices cannot be overstated. As we face the challenges of climate change and resource depletion, industries are stepping up to make a difference. From the clothes we wear, which are now being made with organic and recycled materials, to the innovative processes that reduce water and chemical usage, the textile industry is undergoing a green revolution. To the products we use, such as household items and electronics, which are increasingly being designed with sustainability in mind. These products are not only made from eco-friendly materials, but are also built to last longer, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Manufacturing plays a big role in our lives. It is the backbone of our economy and the source of countless products that we rely on daily. However, traditional manufacturing processes have often been resource-intensive and polluting. Eco-friendly manufacturing aims to minimize its impact. It uses recycled materials and reduces energy consumption. By incorporating renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power, these factories are significantly cutting down their carbon footprint. It also focuses on creating products that are durable and long-lasting. This not only benefits the environment by reducing waste, but also provides consumers with high-quality items that stand the test of time. Through these efforts, eco-friendly manufacturing is paving the way for a more sustainable and responsible future. Section 6. A thriving planet, a prosperous Hurghada. Green industries benefit both our planet and our economy. They create new jobs in growing sectors. They reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, saving money and creating energy independence. And they protect our environment, which is essential for tourism and our overall well-being. Section 7. Embracing a sustainable tomorrow. The future of Hurghada is bright and it is green. As we look towards the horizon, we see a city that is not only thriving but also leading the way in sustainable practices. Solar panels glisten under the Egyptian sun, capturing the abundant energy and converting it into power for homes and businesses. Wind turbines stand tall, harnessing the coastal breezes to generate clean electricity. These renewable energy sources are just the beginning of Hurghada's journey towards a sustainable tomorrow. By embracing environmentally friendly industries, we can create a vibrant economy while preserving the natural beauty that makes this region so special. Imagine a city where factories operate without polluting the air, where the beaches remain pristine and the ocean waters are crystal clear. This vision is becoming a reality as businesses adopt green technologies and sustainable practices. Workers diligently install solar panels, ensuring that every rooftop contributes to the city's energy needs. Eco-friendly factories are setting new standards in production, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. Let us work together to build a sustainable future for Hurghada, for ourselves and for generations to come. Community initiatives are at the heart of this transformation. Tree planting events bring people together, fostering a sense of unity and purpose. Children play in lush green parks, learning the importance of nature and sustainability from a young age. Cyclists enjoy the sunny days, reducing their carbon footprint and promoting a healthier lifestyle. Every small action contributes to a larger goal, a sustainable, thriving Hurghada. Together we can ensure that this beautiful city remains a beacon of hope and progress for future generations.